Today I'll show you how to prepare Goan Macaroni soup. This is the brand of macaroni I'm using. You'll get it in any general store, supermarket, and if not, you can use other brands also. So first heat oil in a vessel. Add the chopped onions and fry till they are translucent. Don't burn it. Then add the tomatoes and fry till they are mashy. Add the potatoes which are cut into small cubes and fry for a few minutes. Add the Maggi cubes for the taste. Give a quick stir. Add water and let it come to a boil. Then add the macaroni and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes till the macaroni is soft. Add salt if required. In this case I'm adding the salt, and then serve it hot.